without signal interference. I've got a pretty clear line of sight. All right, this is Dead Random, and I am going to do a really important test for most of us because this is the urban range test, and I am in a very, very, very diverse urban environment. I've got a large grocery store, I've got an industrial park, and I've got lots of residential properties, and I've got a really good distance target. So we're going to fly a range test this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and get the Mavic Mini set up. So the Mavic Mini, of course, is going to be flown in a largely urban environment. So it's important that we get good, solid urban range tests. So that's what this is going to be all about this morning. So let's go ahead and get launched. Let's take off, hand launch. It says takeoff permitted. There we go. We're going to go and we're going to launch. And we're going to take off. Here we go. Let's look up a little bit. And let's begin it down a little bit and check out some of the features below us. So we've got a lot of buildings. We've got farm. We've got a lot of Wi-Fi down there. And I don't see any Wi-Fi breakup at all. This is a very residential part of town right here. And get over that road there. And looks like a break. We got a break in the traffic right there, so we'll get over there during that break right there. Perfect. Right there. Get over that break. Perfect. There's the park. So if you were interested in that park that I've been...
Can't keep up with all the bullshit they're throwing your way. Always looking for the easy way. Now they're walking over you. Yeah. Never felt so damn frustrated. You're just wasting my time. All the feelings that I dread is ringing in my head. Can't believe the words you said. Somebody save me. Now we're hanging by a thread and it's ringing in my head.
Our goal is to make it all the way to the top of Shenaib Cobb. And without signal interference, I've got a pretty clear line of sight to Shenaib Cobb. And that really quiet neighborhood down there.
Way. Now they're walking over you. Yeah.
And we're good battery. I mean, battery wise, we are sitting perfect. Okay, we want to stay here altitude wise because it's pretty much, there it is. We got the mountain in our view right there. We don't want to fly into it. Oh boy, all right, let's make sure we get up over the top of the front end. And we'll twist around. Get a view from it. There we go. That is glorious up there, isn't it, this morning? And we will come back. Let's get that sun. Look at that. That is just pretty. And looks like we're continuing to keep signal. Wow, look at the bars. We got 4 bars, 5 bars. But we are definitely pushing our distance this morning. And I am going to head on back. That was fun. So let's bring her back. Let's turn her into the beautiful view that we're going to see. Look at that. That is just gorgeous out there. And we are going to head home. That's for sure. So go ahead and get our course established and over that empty road there while there's cars passing. All right, perfect. Get down. This is the easy part of the flight. All right. Nope, she's like, hey man, I'm gonna. She's not letting me land here. No, now she wants to land. She's trying to auto land on me for some, probably because I was pulling down. Okay, so let's get it back here. All right, so very successful. Not one bit of what I would say nervousness. I think the Mavic Mini pretty much made an amazing flight. You can't deny it. So about 20-minute flight time, and I'll put the stats up as far as what types of interference I was facing during that flight. For Dad Random and the Mavic Mini or the Mini 2, yes, later and have a great day, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.